What we're going to talk about really quick is how to record and share a video through your favorite real estate CRM. In this example, we're going to talk about Follow Up Boss, but the same thing applies for, Wise Agent or Lofty or Real Geeks or any of those CRMs that you're using. These same set of instructions are going to apply. First step is creating your content. Some of the content that people like to send out to their audiences, like when you're doing a mass email, for whatever reason, newsletters became something like this, where people are sending these massive templates, right? Like they spend a long time making their email templates like this, where it has a lot of images and a lot of links and a lot of HTML to make it look like this. Now, I'm encouraging you guys to actually do something a little bit different than this, to try something outside of this for your market update, right? First, because the whole point of this thing is to stay top of mind, right? To open conversations, to have people remember you and say, hey, look, they have their finger on the pulse of the market. They know what they're talking about. Maybe we should talk to them about our buying and selling. Or, oh yeah, we have this other property. We need to do some, whatever, right? It's to stay top of mind. And the problem with these types of emails are they are not very deliverable and they're not very engaging. So by having a ton of extra buttons and links and images and HTML in the body of an email, it's much more likely to go to promotions and spam and all the filters that are set up to deal with this type of promotional content. They're also because big companies like Home Depot and companies like that, they send out emails like this, and they're actually sent from do not reply emails. So our consumers are all being trained to not even look at these things because they're from a do not reply email. So they couldn't respond if they wanted to. And it's just like, here's a bunch of information. So they don't think that it's personal. It's not written for them when in fact it's not, right? It was sent to thousands or millions of other people. And so that's what we're dealing with outside of real estate directly. Like real estate agents are sending out a lot of these big, heavy templates. First, the deliverability problem. Second, the lack of engagement. It does not look like you're trying to start or an elicit in a conversation with a person. It looks like you're saying, here's a bunch of stuff that I sent to a bunch of other people. Hope you enjoy. So instead of that, what I'm recommending is a email that looks more like you sent it to them personally. Like something like this, where I'm going to say, hey, first name, right? Because if it's through a bulk system, like a Wise Agent or a follow-up boss, we'll use their placeholders. Hey, first name, I've been studying the market and I had some important information I wanted to share with you. Here's a video, right? Here is a video about how your local neighborhood is doing. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your thoughts about how the market's doing, about, something personal. Ask for a response, because that's what these templates, guys, that I just talked about, they're not doing that, right? They're not eliciting a conversation. They're not saying, hey, why don't you tell me something? I'm sharing some insight with you. It's not that. So I'm encouraging you to actually do that instead. The email should be simple. It should look like you personally wrote an email to them. And again, just measure this to your last big template newsletter. And then the video itself, there's several different ways to do this. So I'm going to pull up, again, this is in the tutorials that I just shared as well. Same source, same everything, where you can go to the news, go to the latest housing market news, find something very relevant here. And of course, you guys have MLS. You probably have some sources that are more relevant or closer to home. Here's another one. I'm going to pull up a local report, and then this is what I would do instead. So here's a nice local report, has some graphics, has really data that's been amalgamated from a bunch of different sources, some key takeaways. So it's easy to view as a real estate agent, right? As somebody that understands what these things mean, but your audience more than likely doesn't, right? So it's up to you to position yourself as the thought leader, as the person worth trusting. So from here, I'm going to record my screen. I'm going to use one of our screen recorders to put myself as the thought leader, as the person who has their finger on the pulse of the local market that they can trust with their really big transactions. So, and then I'm going to record. So from here, I have myself and say, hey guys, it's your local realtor Darius, and I'm here to actually update you on the local market. So if you're in the 916 area, you're definitely going to want to pay attention for the next few minutes, because I'm going to break it down for you. Should you be buying? Should you be selling? What else should you be doing? Let's take a look. So now, and then I'm going to go into the report, maybe start with some of these stats, and then I can resume the video and say, the first thing I actually want to bring your guys' attention to are these year over year, month over month changes. So our market actually looks like it's jumped quite a bit, especially when compared to the rest of the Central Valley. We're over 100% more increase in our year to year. Anyway, I won't go into the full report. That's your guys' job. to help people understand what this data means. So now this video, this positions me as a thought leader, right? Positions me as a trusted advisor, as a consultant that's like, hey guys, I'm making this complex information easier for you to understand because that's what I do. I provide great service and I know what I'm talking about. Show them, don't tell them. So we have our video. Check. Now, this is, of course, not the full video. You guys would add your multiple clips or your pieces or whatever else is relevant for you. But once the video is created, we're now ready to add it to our favorite sending CRM. So there is actually, with these different CRMs, Follow Up Boss, Wise Agent, Lofty, all these different platforms, there's a 2-level of integration. The first one is the Chrome extension. So if you just have the Dubb Chrome extension installed, that's this little shortcut right here. I'm going to have a button inside of all of those platforms I mentioned, Wise Agent, Lofty, Follow Up Boss, and more. So this button right here provides a shortcut. Now, one thing, if for whatever reason your system has recently updated or you're on a different version of it or just one that we don't directly integrate with, there might not be a button built inside, but this button, the Chrome extension, is still going to function as the same sort of opportunity. So let me show you right quick. I can click right here. Let me delete this really quick. I can click right here at the Chrome extension. It gives me access to all of my videos. So from there, I can either press copy or insert, depending on which platform I'm in. And it's either going to put the video on my clipboard to paste it, or I'm going to insert it directly. So in fact, in Follow Up Boss, that's the easiest way to add the video into your template, into your one-to-one send or your one-to-many send in the case of what we're talking about. Of course, it's not going to be right in here, though. You're going to be under like the marketing section where you're creating a template to go to many people. But the builder is basically the same. Now, there is one other option here where if you have a drag and drop builder, right? It's not just an open email interface like this. Instead of copy and paste, you're going to do this piece where here's my little video. I'm going to take the GIF. That's the looping image. I'm going to download the GIF. And then you can see when I click advanced, it says optimize for, that's automatically selected. So all the most popular email sending tools, CRMs, real estate CRMs, this is going to be done automatically. So you don't actually need to check anything here. I'm just showing it to you. And then I'm going to copy the URL that's been optimized for Follow Up Boss. So now I have the image and the URL. So I'm going to go into my email template and I'm going to add the image, which is the GIF. And then I'm going to hyperlink the GIF with my URL. So now I have the hyperlink GIF. Now, of course, this is not in a one-to-one. You're just going to use the button. But for one-to-many in any system, not just Follow Up Boss, but this could be MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, any real estate CRM. That second option I just showed you to attach the GIF and link will work in any interface, no matter what. So this is how you're going to record and send your video emails, either one-to-one or one-to-many, through Follow Up Boss or our other platforms. But just really quick, also, there's one other thing to make sure we get the tracking, because we want to make sure we are going to be able to identify. You're going to send this video to 1,000 people. We want to know who watched it, right? Because that's our low-hanging fruit. Those are our most engaged people that we want to call and spend our time dealing with. So the other step here is we need to make sure the contacts are synchronized. That means in your system, whether it's Follow Up Boss or MailChimp or whatever CRM it is, you're going to export your contacts. So go to your people, your contacts, or whatever, export them into a CSV file. And then here inside of Dubb, you're going to import them. So right here, CRM contacts, you're going to import right here, import contacts. You're going to do this just one time only. Before you ever send your bulk email, you're going to synchronize the contacts. And now, depending on which system you're in, you're going to set up the integration to allow the tracking to work and allow the contacts to stay synchronized automatically. So right here under Team and Marketplace, we're going to find Follow Up Boss. There it is. Logo's old. Install this integration. And it's actually, so you click install, you paste your API key. And then once it's done, there's an option that'll appear, like this guy here, where you're going to determine to automatically sync contacts to Dubb. So that way, moving forward, this integration is set it and forget it. It's going to keep your contacts in sync. it's going to pass the reporting. So when somebody watches a video, it's going to put that into the Follow Up Boss CRM right here, into their activity, or into your other CRMs like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, et cetera. So that's the other piece of the integration, is making sure the contacts are synchronized and that you turn on this backend integration if available. If it's not available, there is options for Zapier or make.com or those other integration platforms to keep contacts in sync through there, through any platform that integrates with Zapier. So even if we don't have a direct option here, Zapier and Make or those alternatives are also always an option to keep them in sync.